Hey Divine Dolls, I'm back and today I will be doing a DIY video for you today. But before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe today and also turn on notification bell so you can be the first one to be notified whenever I upload. So let's get into it. I absolutely adore this look. It's very, very tropical vibes. And if you want to get this look, there's going to be a link below so you can purchase the... Ooh. Okay, so into your side here. Okay, so if you want to get this green grass, you can go onto Amazon, and I will link that below. As I said, it's gonna be there for you, honey, because I am not a hater. I'm gonna share. And also today I actually went to Michael's. They're having a clearance sale right now. And I got this as well. These, I call them elephant ears, but this is probably not the exact one, but they're elephant ears over here. So Michael's had an incredible sale today for 70% off. So I'm all about saving some coins. Aren't you? Budget, budget, budget. Also, I got some flowers. I started off putting these up here first, but I think I'm going to add on to it. So I'm going for more of an orange and yellow look, but I haven't put the yellow in there yet because I'm not quite sure if I want to do that right now, but it really looks really awesome right now. So this backdrop is for my YouTube and also for my pictures on Instagram, social media, to create a different feel for my brand. So I got the flowers. Hey girl, hey. I'm telling them about this wall here. Yeah, isn't that pretty? Yeah. Tell them where we got the flowers from. The Dollar Tree? Yeah. It's a really good deal at the Dollar Tree. Let's close that door. So we're going to tell them that they can get that from the Dollar Tree and they can get their own looks. I actually got inspired from Pinterest. And of course, I know that this green wall is very, very popular right now. And it has been for a while, but it's been a huge wave right now. And I've been looking at this idea for a while, along with a neon sign that I have as well. I was debating for a while, should I do my store name or should I do Divine Dolls? Because that's what my customers are called, Divine Dolls. And you guys are my Divine Dolls. I love all the support. We love the support, right? Yeah, right? Yes. So if you're looking for a backdrop like this, go on Pinterest and you can get inspired on there. There's so much on there. I love Pinterest, honey. You can get all kind of stuff. Yeah. You can get all kind of ideas from social media content to planning your toddler's birthday. Yeah? Yeah. So, but if you need any more information on how to create content, definitely leave a comment below or shoot me an email. So I want to do this really quickly so you guys can see what I'm working on. I love it. Yeah. Yeah. So, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to finish my wall, and I definitely will have the finished look for you guys. You can keep. Yeah. Yeah. You going to tell them? Yeah. Tell them. Hi. Tell them that they can watch us on Instagram for pictures of the new clothes with this beautiful backdrop. You want a Gucci bag, girl? Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.